Imagine this scenario. You are on stage making a presentation. You know what to say. The presentation is etched in your mind, but as you begin to speak, words fail to come out of your mouth. No matter how hard you try, you slur your speech and lose your train of thought. What had seemed to be a routine affair suddenly starts to look like a daunting task. You can neither complete your presentation, for you are stuck, nor walk away midway through, for you think it might make you look like a fool. What do? Many of us have been in similar situations. We come out of them embarrassed at first, and then the embarrassment turns to anger and frustration. Some of us even reach a stage at which just thinking about these unpleasant situations feels so humiliating that we simply try to shut all thoughts about these incidents out of our minds forever. The fact is, some of us are not endowed with good presentation skills. So, what is the way out? Do we need to change our goals because of our weakness? The answer is no. We need to fight the demons that plague us, for only then can we find true happiness in life. The key to avoiding such unpleasant presentation fiascos is to work on interpersonal communications. Simply put, we need to work on the skills that help us communicate with other individuals better. As we develop our communication skills, we will gain confidence, and eventually, we will be able to avoid the debacle in the example above. Although most positions do not require you to be a great public speaker, if you want to move up in life and reach the pinnacle of success, you should be ready to work on your communication skills and become a good speaker. Many find it extremely challenging, but no matter how hard it may seem, it is not the insurmountable hurdle that we often make it out to be. Most problems with communicating ideas are the result of the fear at the back of our mind that we might make fools of ourselves. Presentations and other forms of public speaking are a way of getting our ideas across to others. It's just that in public speaking, we are communicating our thoughts to a larger audience. Now think about this. If we are nervous about communicating with a few individuals, how much will our fear get magnified when we have to present to a large audience? We may not even realize it, for the fear is at the back of our minds and may not manifest itself till we face the crowd. Fear only shows up when the need arises, and then everything starts to go wrong. We may only become aware of the magnitude of our fear after a debacle. The key to overcoming this fear is to practice the things that you are not good at and work on your known weaknesses. As you keep practicing, you will eventually attain a frame of mind in which one fine morning you will find that your fear has disappeared. When you reach that stage, you will have overcome the psychological barrier and feel very confident. The feeling of accomplishment that you get when you reach this stage is unbelievable. You feel as if you have conquered the world. It may seem a daunting task to accomplish, and it indeed is, but it is doable and very much within your grasp. Follow the instructions in these lessons and your presentation and public speaking skills will improve.